Multifamily complexes can be in the millions or tens of millions of dollars. How would you ever invest in multifamily? We have multifamily investors just like you who are thinking, how do I do it? Let's get on a call today, because investing in multifamily is not something that you have to do on your own. Being a multifamily investor is like going on a cruise and being a passenger on this huge cruise ship. You have the captain, all the people that are serving you, the chefs, lifeguards, the entertainers, and you go on there to enjoy. That's really like being a passive investor in multifamily. You write a check, you send the check in, and now you let us operators work the deal for you. Financing is important. Where to buy and how to buy an apartment complex in multifamily is important. How do you operate a multifamily complex? That's very important as well. If you want to learn more, give us a call.